Meet the Oukitel WP55 Ultra, the rugged phone built to push past limits. More than just tough, it's designed for adventurers, workers, and tech lovers who need power and durability in one device. With its military-grade build, huge battery, and even a built-in thermal imaging camera, the WP55 Ultra goes beyond the usual rugged smartphone. It's not just about surviving harsh environments, it's about giving you the tools to thrive in them.
Anyway, as for the specs of the Oukitel WP55 Ultra, well, the device features a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display. It runs on the Android 15 OS, and the device has 16GB RAM and 512GB internal storage with SD card support. In the camera department, it features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 108MP main sensor, an 8MP night vision camera, and an additional 5MP lens. And it has a 32MP front-facing shooter. The device packs a massive 11,000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support and reverse charging support. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 5G octa-core processor. The phone is rated IP68 and IP69k. It is also military-grade standard A10H certified. It also has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, NFC, OTG, and so much more. So these are the top features of the Oukitel WP55 Ultra. It's currently being sold on AliExpress for about $400. So if you're interested, you can check it out.
At the end of the day, the Oukitel WP55 Ultra isn't just a rugged phone. It's a reliable partner built to handle challenges most smartphones can't. From its massive battery life to the thermal camera and durable design, it proves that power and toughness can coexist. Whether you're on the job site, exploring the outdoors, or just want peace of mind knowing your phone can survive it all, the WP55 Ultra is ready for whatever comes your way.